Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. As usual, we'll be picking few cards for your daily reading, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So whichever pile you want to watch, I'll be picking one card each, guys, from both piles. So whichever you want to watch, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp and watch that video. So that will be coming up after this daily reading, guys. Cancer. So for your daily energy, it's the Fool in reverse, the Empress in reverse and 8 of Swords. So with these cards in your situation, Cancers, this may relate to your personal life or your career situation. So you are seeing the truth in some situation, or some person, maybe this person you are in connection with, they are revealing some secret, telling something about them, and you are getting that clarity in that situation. Or it may be in your career, something which you were in dark about, some kind of information, something you need to make it a success, something you felt was missing. So all that you may be getting that knowledge about that. So you feel really happy, you have that clarity in your situation because of that, guys. That is what I see. And also in your career or in your personal life, guys, you may be neglecting some people or some advice, maybe your siblings or someone older than you, maybe your in your family, your parents or someone older. They are coming forward with some counsel on something, some advice, something you need to do, maybe for your own good. They are really concerned about you, but you are neglecting that, and you are also not willing to meet them. You just avoid meeting them. So that is what I see here, guys. And again, in your career or in your personal life, you are quite disturbed with some situation. You feel restricted, confused and stuck to something. You are unable to escape from that situation, guys. You feel trapped, and you don't know what you need to do today to overcome this situation. Whatever you do, you are not able to move away from this some stressful circumstance that you are facing today, and you feel that you are unable to get over this crisis today, guys. That is also what I see here, Cancers, and that is for your daily energy. For your love reading, guys, you can choose the pile, skip to the timestamp I have given in the description and watch that video, guys. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is the first deck and this is the second deck. I'll be picking one card each, guys. So whichever deck you want to watch, you can watch that card. So we will start with this deck first. I'll keep this card aside. I'll be picking one card, guys, for your love reading. So this card will give us the guidance in your situation, what your person thinks of you, or what you think of your person, and what is the energy with your connection, guys. So this is the card here, come to the edge. So with this card, in your situation, guys, this denotes having that courage, having that faith to take that step forward in your relationship or this connection. It means overcoming fear and accepting risk. So we are faced with some situation, sorry guys, some situation where we do not know what will the situation turn out to be, what is the outcome. So we are afraid to take that risk sometimes, and at this time right now, all you need to have is that courage in your heart, have that faith in yourself, listen to your heart, whatever your heart is guiding you today. So you may have some intuition or some gut feeling about what choice you need to make today. So when you have that gut feeling, you have to go for it. That is what this card is about, guys. So in our relationship, sometimes we are just scared to reveal ourselves, our truth, what we are, what our characters we have, what are our likes, what are our dislikes. So when we let ourselves to be truly seen, only then that person will be able to see our true self and be able to build this connection on that truth. So if you want this relationship, if you want a deep meaningful connection with that person, you have to go for this that true bond based on truth, whatever is there in you. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it is time for you to have that courage, have that faith in yourself, and go forward in your life today. Have that confidence. And that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading with this card. Let us see what is the other card. So I'll be picking one card from the other deck, guys. So this is the card, Divine Discontent. With this card, guys, the energy in your situation. So you may have all the things you need in this relationship. Attraction is there, intimacy is there with this person, and you may have love for each other, but some part of you is just feeling sad. You feel something is missing in your life in this connection. You are feeling sad about something and you cannot describe it or point it to something in this connection, guys. It may be you may feel that it may be some fault of that person, maybe, but you are not sure, or it may be your fault in something, maybe, but you are not sure. You are not able to point it out what it is, but still you feel that energy that something is missing in this connection. Maybe because you feel that way because in this connection you don't have that total satisfaction in this connection, guys. That may be the reason that deep down in your heart of hearts, something greater, something better may be coming towards you. So that is the reason you feel that lack of fulfillment or contentment, even when you have that lovable, attractive person right in front of you. So that sense of incompleteness is there. Maybe for some of you, this may be a time for you. You may be focusing on your spiritual aspects, guys. Maybe for some of you, you may be working towards moving towards that spiritual awakening. Maybe this mundane love or this love on the physical plane, it may not interest you for few of you. Or if it is in this relationship, it may be something you are longing to have that deep connection with this person, that deep bond based on truth. That may be the reason for you to feel that lack of fulfillment or satisfaction in this connection, guys. So that is the reason you will be pushing yourself, working towards that deep meaningful connection today, guys. That is what this card is about. So that lack of satisfaction, that sense of missing or anxiety in your situation, yearning for something or longing for something, that may be the first step that is going to help you to make this connection more deeper, and that is going to help you to further this connection, deepen this connection, and go for that deep meaningful commitment in this relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about, guys. Let us conclude this reading with a beautiful poetry from Rumi, guys. Winter falls upon us, so spring can bring new growth. Cry the tears, allow the longing. Sadness brings surrender and a deep desire to be free. Rumi. So this card is based on this poem, guys. So that is the reading for today, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.